Hello there, you who are assisting this video right now. It is not a mere chance or a coincidence that you're watching this video. Please pay attention. In this day, whatever day you want to come, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, throughout the week, Saturday, or continuously, we are here in Gladstone Park, Luis Dog Trainer in the St. Gabriel Valley, here helping, assisting, supporting, talking, giving advice, tips and advice for any person who has a traumatized dog. Maybe you got a dog off a refuge center. Please don't hesitate to call this number or send us a message. Your dog has a solution. There is a way to help him overcome that trauma that he has. Remember, Luis Dog Trainer can be and will be, if you determine, your last resort to fix this issue. God bless you.